This past week, I was at a holiday party, and there was a bunch of persimmons there. Other people were eating them, and they seemed to really enjoy them. I had one, and it was one of the worst experiences I've ever had. It was hard to even put down. And in the spirit of New Year's resolutions, which I've never done, I figure might as well try and take a liking to these things, because I had just never heard of them. So I'm just gonna eat it, maybe over the course of a couple of weeks, find out that I can actually stomach them and enjoy a new part of my fruit, well-balanced diet. I should really eat less meat. Let's go with this. This is gonna suck. It's not even that it tastes bad. It's like, no, it tastes bad. Like, looking at it, you'd think tomato, right? Okay, maybe I'll get better at this.